So you're planning yourself to buy a sniper. Oops, mali. This kind of sniper. The Yamaha Sniper 150i. But before anything else, I am no expert when it comes to bike. But I own a Sniper 150 for almost 3 years now since I bought it last October of 2015. And after 40,000 kilometers of riding, touring around Cebu, around Leyte, a little of Mindanao, and a little of Samar, maybe I know a thing or two when it comes to this bike. There are always two sides to every story. The good and the bad. Let's start with the good side of Yamaha Sniper 150. The first thing is aesthetics. One word to describe this bike is maporma. We usually see or take notice of its beauty. Parang chicks lang din yan eh. But then again, there's that saying that goes, beauty is in the eye of the beer holder. Take note, beer holder. So, I might find this bike beautiful but others won't. So, kanya-kanyang taste yan. Second thing is performance. We'll not go on the more technical side of things, but this bike can reach around 137 kilometers per hour of top speed on stock engine. Then again, depends on certain factors as rider's weight, wind drag, tires pressure, etc. Handling wise, this bike is a thing of beauty. It inspires confidence when it comes to corners, banking to the left and to the right. This bike is for you. Number 3, fuel efficiency. Mahal na masyado ang gas ngayon, but this bike will give you around 50 to 55 kilometers per liter if you are riding it around 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. Now if you're going around camote riding mode, which is maybe more than 80 kilometers per hour of speed, then this bike can give you around 40 to 45 kilometers per liter. Not bad, especially if we are talking about a 150cc engine here. Enough with the good side of things, let's flip the story and let's go to the bad side of this bike. First thing you'll notice is that there is this certain noise, lagotok, on the front forks. Although it's not really that obvious, but when it comes to really bumpy roads, you really can notice it. As for me, I tend to go slow when it comes to bumpy roads. But then again, if you are maselan, then you can let someone fix it for you. Now, the second thing is the lagitik. Sa makina, which is normal and doesn't affect in any way as far as performance of the bike is concerned. But if you are maarte, then you can have its valve clearance adjusted and minimize the knocking sound. Now the third thing is magastos. Magastos in a sense that you will tend to buy accessories, aftermarket products for this bike. Because you really want to put your identity on this bike and you want it to stand out among the rest. You will have to spend a lot when it comes to this bike, which is kind of a bad thing. Now in conclusion to this one, this bike is worth the money. Yup, it will cost you around 94 to maybe 99,000 pesos. But for the things that you'll get is more than worth it. I mean, I have this bike and I haven't had any big issue as far as my almost 3 years of usage. Except for one, I had the ball race replaced because the handling is bothering me, especially in corners. So I had the ball race or the steering wheel bearing replaced. So that's about it. This is your boy JCUTMoto, and that is our review of the Yamaha Sniper 150. Bye-bye.